Hello, to this video we will show you how you can add your own support data, insulator data and conductor data. First, on the left side in the Project Explorer you can see default supports, insulator supports and default conductors in this software. But if you want to add your own support, you just have to go here on this icon called Add Support Data. Or if you want to add insulator or conductor, you just have to go on these icons. Here is an example of 3D support that I will add. So I will close this. Okay. First, as you can see on the right side, this is my support with my dimensions that I will use later. So if you want to add support, you just have to go here on this icon called Add Support Data. And then in the opening dialog, you can set the name of your support. You have to choose your type, do you want tension or suspension. Then you can set the height. In this case, it is 9.2. Then you can set, do you want what 3D model you want? Do you want system generated? System generated with simple model, or you want your custom value? It means that you want to import your DWG file. So go here and choose your support, click open. Then the point symbol, you can use the system generated or custom value. And at the end, you must add your attachment points, because attachment points are places where you connect your conductor on insulator or consoles. So go here and add. In the new opening dialog, you can set your name of your attachment point, you want what type you want, and you can set your X, Y, Z offset coordinates. So first we start with this green one. As you can see, Y coordinates is 0.45 and Z coordinates is 0.3. Okay, then we have here one, you use 0.68, but we will set minus because it's the opposite side, and we will set our Z coordinate is 1, it's 1. Okay, and the last one, again for for Y it's 0.68 and Z coordinate is 1.85. Okay, add and go here and add. Then you can add this support, this suspension support in existing power line, or you can draw your new power line and add your support. So if you go here and add support and choose power line, you can choose this suspension and we can find out my support model and just click where you want to add. Okay. And if you go in 3D view, you can see my new support data. Okay, you can also add your system generated support. It's very simple support. Again, if you go here and add support data and set your new name, set type, for example, tension, set the height, for example, 12. You will set this system generated. Okay, and we will add some attachment points. For example, for X, we will set 0.1, for Y offset we will set 1, and for Z we will set 0. Okay, then the next one, we will set -1 for the opposite side, and let's say 1 for Z coordinate. And the last one, okay, and set OK and just click on add. Okay, we can add this support, this tension support. So go here on tension and choose our support, click add, and if you go OK, and in 3D view you can see our system generated support. Okay, this is one way that how you can add your support. Then if you want to add your insulator, you just go here on this icon called Add Insulator Data, and okay, in the opening dialog you can set the name of your insulator. you can choose the type. Do you want to strain for tension or suspension and pin for suspension supports, or do you want clamp for ground wire? Okay, then set your length, for example 1, your weight, for example 2.5, and wind area, for example 0.4. And you can set your system generated insulator, or you can use your custom value. We'll for now use our custom value and import our DWG file. So go here and choose our insulator and click add. OK. And if you go here, for example, on this system generated support, you can add your new insulator, choose your touching point, and choose your insulator and click add. As you can see, this is our insulator. Also, you can add your system generated. If you go here, set your name for this one, choose your type, set your length, for example this, and wind area. Okay, and use your system generated and just click add. Then you have to go here and add insulator, choose your support, for example, and choose your touching point, and you can choose your new insulator model, and if you click add, now you will see your new system generated insulator. Then you can also add your conductor data. For example, if you go here on this icon called add conductor, you will see the new opening dialog. In this dialog, you can set the name of your conductor, then you can set the cross section, for example, I will say 300, then diameter, for example, 25.5, specific weight, 0.03, elastic models, 70,000, okay, temperature coefficient, for example, 1.75, and nominal tensile stress, for example, 70 megapascals, and just add. Here in Project Explorer, you can see your added values. So if you go here in support, you can see your support model, your support models, your insulator models in insulator, and in the conductors you will find out your conductor model. Of course, you can edit them all. For example, go here and edit. You can, for example, for support, change height or touching points. If you go here on insulator and edit, you can edit the length, the weight, the wind area, of course, and the name, and the same is for conductor model, that you can change all these settings. Okay. Also, you can import and export conductors data. If you go here this icon, you can choose do you want to import or export. So I will choose import conductor data, and in the opening dialog, I will choose my file with XML extension. Now I can see that the number of conductors that are imported, and I can find them here. You can also export your conductors data. If you click on this icon, and in the opening dialog, you have to save your file. And you can share this file.